First, make sure your computer or laptop is connected to the internet. Then, insert the YouTube video into your PowerPoint slide. To autoplay the video, click on the video in the slide, and video tools will appear. Then, select the playback menu. In the video options section, change the start option from in click sequence to automatically. After that, try opening the slide from the beginning using slideshow view, then move the slide to the slide containing the video. You can watch the video without clicking, and it will play automatically. How easy was it, right? That's how to autoplay YouTube videos in PowerPoint slides. I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you find the explanation above unclear, please leave your questions in the comments section below. Good luck!